In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion in just 5 minutes. This process is pretty straightforward and makes managing your tasks and projects more seamless. Let's dive in and get started with integrating these two powerful tools. First, open your web browser and head over to the Trello website. Once there, locate and click on the Login button. If you're not already signed in, this will prompt you to log into your Trello account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. To streamline the process, select Google as your login method and then choose your Google account from the list provided, saved. This will quickly log you in without having to remember another set of passwords. With your Trello account open, it's time to navigate to the board you want to work on. You can click on your board either through a bookmarked link or directly from your Trello homepage. Once you're on your chosen board, look for the Power Ups button. This is usually located in the menu section of your board. Power-ups are essentially Trello add-ons that enhance your board's functionality, and that's exactly what we're going to do next. Click on Add Power-ups to find new tools or integrations to enhance your Trello experience. In the search bar, type in Notion. This will bring up any available power-ups or integrations related to Notion. After finding Notion in the list of options, click on Add. Adding a power-up allows Trello and Notion to work together smoothly. Sometimes the Unito sync button, which is essential for syncing Trello with Notion, might not appear immediately. That's okay, it just might need a refresh. Go ahead and refresh your page to give your browser a chance to catch up with the changes. Once refreshed, the Unito sync button should be visible. Next, click on the Unito sync to start setting up your integration. This will take you to Unito's platform where authorization for syncing is required. You'll need to authorize this connection for it to work, which involves a few simple clicks. First, you'll likely see a prompt to authorize the syncing permissions between Trello and Unito. Follow this by clicking on Allow when asked, which permits Unito to read and write data between the two platforms based on your settings. Once you've allowed the necessary permissions, you might be prompted to close the current window. After doing so, click on the Unito button again to create a flow. Creating a flow involves connecting Trello and Notion so that changes in one can automatically update in the other. Finally, the last step is to connect your Trello and Notion accounts, setting up the synchronization. This enables seamless information sharing across both platforms. You might need to sign in with your Notion account to authorize this connection as well. And that's it, you've successfully integrated Trello with Notion. Your tasks and projects can now sync effortlessly, allowing you to stay organized and efficient across both platforms.